Well, this is probably normal for Canadians, but for me, it's a bit weird and a bit worrying to be riding through hillsides that are still burning. Alright, Canada's got some pretty remote stretches, so this is all food, this is food, and this is also all food. It's pretty heavy, but we'll be alright. Today's been really tough. We've only done half the distance that we wanted to. There's just been a ruthless headwind all day. So we're doing the next best thing, which is stopping to have a little sleep and something to eat, and then seeing what we do next. Alright, it's 6:30 in the morning and we're packed up and ready to go. It wasn't until about 5:30 that we noticed the wind was starting to calm down. So we're gonna hit the road early, make the most of it, and see how far we can get today. Got to sleep in a gazebo. Thanks to the hostess at Moose Creek Lodge. I had a really nice mosquito-free, sheltered night of sleep. There are so many wild strawberries on the side of the road everywhere that you can smell them as you bike along. And it's just endless. It's wild strawberries forever. So I've adopted a stray. All right, you should probably go back to the gas station and meet some new tourists. Well, she's still there. Let's see how long she keeps up for. Fiona's birthday today. Woo! Woo-hoo. It's also 2 months since I assembled my bike in Alaska, so we're gonna try to make some chocolate cake.
All right, we got some chocolate cake mix. half a mug, a little bit of cooking oil, some chocolate chips, give it a stir. Alright, these guys are going to try to fit in the pot. Alright, see you guys later. The grand reveal.
Right. Oh my goodness! Woo!
Check those out. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Delicious.
Alright, well, it's not the most hygienic kitchen I've ever worked with, but cheers. Okay, this ride find, I just can't leave. You gotta check this out. Look at this little guy. All right, we gotta think of a name for you.